How to file for social security benefits online. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can apply for social security benefits online. So for that, first of all, you have to go to the SSA website, like Social Security Administration website. As you can see, the official website address is www.ssa.gov. And after that, navigate to the Social Security Administration application page, and after that you have to create or sign into your account. So as you can see, after coming here, you can see a option called sign in here, and you just have to simply click on sign in, and then you have to uh, sign in or sign up for that. As you can see, the service is not available at this time. This target during your regular service hours. You have to remind that you must do this on their regular service hours, like Monday to Friday for 15 to 1 a.m. and Saturdays 5 a.m. to 11 p.m., Sunday 8 a.m. to 12:30 a.m., Monday, and same hours as the day the holiday occurs. So you can also contact them by calling. And after login or sign up, you have once logged in, select the option and apply for retirement benefits. And after that, you have to provide necessary information. The application will guide you through various sections, including personal information, work history, and banking details for direct deposit. And after that, you have to carefully review all the information you have entered and submit your application, and then you may receive a request for additional documents, and such as a proof of birth and citizenship, which can be submitted online. And the Social Security Administration will process a application and mail to your decision later if you are eligible, and they will give you the social benefits or not. And you can apply up to 4 months before the date you want to benefits to start. And while the online application is streamlined, you may need to provide certain documents such as proof of birth and citizenship. And having a My Social Security account allows you to save your application and return to it later, as well as access other online services. And you can contact the SSA online. As you can see, I've already shown you. You can contact the SSA online on this phone number. If you're deeper hard hiring, call our toll-free TTY number. And that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.